everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a new pair of Lesem LED headlights. They're for the 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. This here is a 2500. And as you may notice, I have a pair set already in here, but these ones here have the white DRL and the blue ambient light. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. They're really nice looking headlights. I do like them a lot. But Lesem was kind enough to send me, I seen they come out with the new couple of different styles here. So I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me these bad boys, which are actually their new ones with the Amber DRLs and the Amber ambient light. So it's going to be Amber DRLs and Amber ambient light. This should make an all black truck like this look pretty darn nice. Should look badass actually. So I can't wait to get these unboxed, get them put in and see what they look like. So let's check it out. All right, let's get this guy opened up and see what they look like. And we got another box. So these are well packaged, guys. So let's open that one up. And they also have styrofoam on here. So let me lift that out. That's the back of your headlight. Here is the front of your headlight. So let me undo this without dropping it. All right, guys. So here the headlight is here. We will get this bugger out of the package for you to see. And they are packaged nice, so that's good to see a company having really good shipping. Now, if we want to zoom in close here, we can take a close-up look at the headlight. Beautiful headlights, guys. I love the black housing on here. This is made of a polycarbonate lens, and also the shell on here is an OEM polycarbonate, so it's just like your OEM on your vehicles and stuff. So that's really nice as well. Your top projectors on here, they're going to be your low beam. The bottom projectors on here, they're going to be your high beam. And then of course you got your DRLs and ambient light. Low beam puts out like 1900 lumens on these, and the high beam puts out 2400 lumens. So they're plenty bright, let me tell you. Compared to halogens, these buggers are super nice, and I have not had a problem lighting up the road or trying to use these for driving at night. These are awesome headlights, guys. They have great light output as well. We come over to the back of this, and this is for the dual beam or quad beam headlights. Mine is a dual. So you have these two connector plugs. This is just a plug and play, so it's a real simple install, guys. You just line this up. You have your vent for venting moisture out of the headlight, which I have not had a problem with. And then we also have the adjustment screw, which now, here's your adjustment screw right here. This is actually made out of metal now. So some of their first headlights they come out with, this was plastic, but now the new ones, they listened to all our customer feedback and stuff, and it's good to see they're improving their product. So now this is actually made out of metal, and that should make adjusting your headlights way easier now, guys. So awesome to see they're making improvements on these headlights. These are a badass headlight, guys. I can't say it enough. If you're thinking about it, just try it, because they are definitely worth the money. All right, guys, let's do the big famous plastic peel here. On a brand new Lesem LED headlight. Look at those. Look at that, guys. That's some high quality headlights right there. And these things look super stylish, super nice. You got your low beam projectors, high beam projectors, DRLs, ambient light. This same thing screams high quality, guys. It looks amazing. Absolutely love the way they look. So, all All right, stay tuned for my install video. That's going to be my next video on the channel, be an install video. So check it out. Favorite, like, share, subscribe.